Welcome to MLAC online tutorial. Before us is this initial equation, a question from JAMB 1994, and it says that we should solve the equation 8x raised to the power of minus 2 equals 2 over 25. Now, how do we start simplifying this? Take note, this is simple as saying 8 times x raised to the power minus 2, which is 2, something as times 1 over what? 25. All right. Okay, so with this now, let us recall that x raised to the power minus 1 equals to 1 over what? X. If I were to apply this to this, here we have 8 then times 1 over x raised to the power 2 then equals, let's continue with 2 times 1 over what? 25. So here we have 8 over x raised to the power 2 then equals 2 over what? 25. All right, we can now cross multiply. So here we have 8 times 25 then equals 2 times x raised to the power 2. Okay, so here we have, now you can now just say that x raised to the power 2, sorry, let me see this. We have 2 x raised to the power 2, which is this, then equals to 8 times what? 25. Now divide both sides by 2. So this will cancel out this. 2 here 1, 2 here we have 4. So here you have x raised to the power 2 equals to 4 times 25. Alright, with this we can just square root both sides. 4 times 25. Alright, this will now cancel out. You have x equals to the square root of 4 here is what? 2 times the square root of 5 here is what? 25 here is what? 5. Then x equals to what? 2 times 5, which is what? 10. Final answer. If you love what I've just done, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every of my videos in chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.